Ever felt that little twinge of anxiety before checking your credit score? Like, what if it goes down just because I looked? You're not alone. Many people worry that simply checking their credit score could negatively impact it. And with so many services popping up offering free credit checks, it's a valid concern. Today, we're diving deep into one of those services, Borrowell, and answering a crucial question: is checking your credit score with Borrowell a soft inquiry? Before we get into Borrowell specifically, let's quickly recap what credit scores and credit reports actually are. Think of your credit report as a detailed history of your borrowing and repayment behavior. It includes things like your credit card accounts, loans, payment history, and any public records related to your finances. Your credit score, on the other hand, is a 3-digit number derived from the information in your credit report. It's essentially a snapshot of your creditworthiness at a given point in time. Lenders use this score to assess the risk of lending you money. A higher score generally means you're a more reliable borrower. Now, here's where the concept of inquiries comes in. Every time you apply for credit, like a credit card or a loan, the lender will check your credit report. This is known as a hard inquiry or sometimes a hard pull. These hard inquiries are recorded on your credit report and can slightly lower your credit score, especially if you have multiple hard inquiries in a short period. This is because multiple applications for credit can suggest to lenders that you're in financial difficulty or taking on too much debt. On the flip side, there are soft inquiries or soft pulls. These occur when someone checks your credit report for reasons other than lending decisions. Examples include pre-approved credit card offers, background checks by potential employers, with your permission, of course, and, importantly, when you check your own credit score. Soft inquiries do not affect your credit score. They're simply a record of someone accessing your credit report for informational purposes. So, back to our main question, is checking your credit score with Borrowell a soft inquiry? The short answer is yes. Checking your credit score through Borrowell results in a soft inquiry. Borrowell is a credit monitoring service, not a lender. They provide you with access to your credit report and score from Equifax, one of Canada's major credit bureaus. When you use Borrowell to view your credit information, they're essentially acting on your behalf to request a copy of your report for you. This is considered a soft inquiry and has no impact on your credit score. This is a crucial distinction and a major benefit of using services like Borrowell. You can regularly monitor your credit health without the fear of negatively impacting your score. This allows you to stay informed about any changes to your credit report, identify potential errors, and take proactive steps to improve your creditworthiness. Now, let's talk a bit more about Borrowell itself. Borrowell is a Canadian company that offers free credit score monitoring, credit reports, and other financial products. They provide you with a user-friendly interface to access your credit information and offer personalized tips and recommendations for improving your credit. They also offer tools to help you understand your credit report, such as credit score simulators and educational resources. One thing to keep in mind is that Borrowell typically provides you with your Equifax credit report and score. While this is a very important credit bureau, it's not the only one. There's also TransUnion. It's a good idea to check your credit reports from both bureaus periodically to get a complete picture of your credit health. You can request a free copy of your TransUnion credit report annually by mail or online. So, why is it important to monitor your credit score regularly? There are several reasons. First, it allows you to catch any errors or inaccuracies on your credit report. These errors can negatively impact your credit score, so it's important to identify and dispute them as soon as possible. Second, monitoring your credit score helps you track your progress over time. If you're working on improving your credit, you can see the results of your efforts. Third, monitoring your credit can help you detect signs of identity theft. If you see unfamiliar accounts or inquiries on your report, it could be a sign that someone is using your information fraudulently. Using a service like Borrowell can make monitoring your credit much easier and more convenient. Instead of having to request your credit report manually from each bureau, you can access it through a single platform. And, as we've established, checking your score through Borrowell won't hurt your credit. It's a win-win. Now, some people might be wondering if there are any downsides to using Borrowell. While the core service of checking your credit score and report is free, Borrowell does offer other financial products and services, such as loans and credit cards. They may present these offers to you based on your credit profile. It's important to remember that you're under no obligation to use these products or services. Borrowell's primary function is to provide you with access to your credit information, and that service is free and does not impact your credit score. In conclusion, checking your credit score with Borrowell is indeed a soft inquiry. It won't negatively affect your credit score, and it's a great way to stay informed about your credit health. Regular monitoring is crucial for identifying errors, tracking your progress, and detecting potential identity theft. Services like Borrowell make this process easier and more accessible. So, if you've been hesitant to check your credit score for fear of hurting it, you can rest assured that using Borrowell is a safe and effective way to stay on top of your credit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.